Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great weekend and a great Sunday. Well, today we have part 2 of my review for One Day Saving. So we have 2 stamped cross stitch kits to look at. So let's get started. So I'm going to move one out of the way. Which one is this? Oh, all right. So this one is a 40 by 40 and it was $8.77. Put the bag up there and flip it over. I will put a picture here. Isn't that the cutest little owl you ever saw? And look at all those colors. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they have 3 or 4 of them. I don't know if they're supposed to be seasonal or what. It does have the product number up here and how big it is here. And at the bottom, it's 147 by 147. That's stitch-wise, and it has 40 colors, guys. 40 colors. Very nicely printed. I don't see any smudges or smears or anything. Got something in my eye. Couldn't see. But very nicely done. But it's going to have a little bit of confetti in it. Does have some bigger areas, but yeah. Let's see. What colors do we have? We have 310 black. No 550 purple. No 666. Let's see. We have 823. We have no 939. No 3371. But we have 3865, which is the white, and that's going to be the background, so you can either stitch it or don't. That's up to you. Myself, personally, I would not stitch it, because when you wash this whole thing, it's all going to be white. What's the difference? So I think it'd make a nice vignette, and I just loved the colors in this. It was just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So what else comes with this? Does have the paper instructions, how to start, how to finish, how to stitch. Very nice if you've never done this before. And we do have a toolkit. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. The threads come all enclosed in a plastic bag. Does have a sticker with how big it is and the product number. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Alright, let me get that out of there. So you have 2 skeins of 3865. So this isn't too big. It's about the same size as my Tai Chi's. Okay, we have a loose thread. We'll figure out where he goes here in a minute. Let me give it a shake. Look at all those bright, vivid. Why do you do this to me? Put it on the back. Vivid colors. It's a mocha and some teal and some purples. We have lots of reds and oranges in this. Just beautiful. There's your 310 black. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. It's like a rainbow. Isn't that beautiful? These owls are really pretty. I've been... Whoa. I'll get it. Hang in there. I can't see it right this second, but... Whoops. Yeah. I put those in there because we don't want to lose those. Oh, did I get... No, that's that. I thought maybe it accidentally picked it up when I went to... We'll figure it out later. It's fine. Let's take a look at the canvas. So, see, it's not too big. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Very nicely printed. It is serged all the way around, and the serging goes just into the numbers, but you can see everything quite clearly. If you need to know a number, it matches your pattern. I'm going to fold this just so I can bring it up. Very well printed. No smudges, no smears. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. See how big it is. Okay, whoop. If I could just hold it still, please. 39 3/4 centimeters by a little over 15.5 inches. This way it is 15.5 inches or 39 centimeters. 39.5, I'm sorry. Actual picture size is 33 centimeters or 13 inches by 13.25 inches or a little over 33.5 centimeters. So very nice size. I like this size. I like 40 by 40, 40 by 50, but I love the big ones too. But this is a nice size to hold on your lap. You don't have all that extra material. Very nice. Very well done. Beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. Take a look at the next one. Now, I thought this was quite different. I don't understand it, but we're going to find out here in a minute. All right, and this one was $8.45. It is another 40 by 40. I will put a picture here. So as you can see, it's two pictures of, looks like a rose, two rose pictures, stained glassed, if you will. I don't know why it's all on one page. I don't know. I got nothing. It was just strange, so that's why I got it. And this pattern is crap. It is just blotched and smeared, and I will tell them about it. You can see this very clearly, the key. So, I don't know. It might be a bad thing all the way around. Color-wise, it has 310 black, 666 red, 814 red, no 823, no 939. Does have 3371 and B5200 for the white. So all this 40 around here is the white, but you can see that it is kind of blotched and smeared. So I will be contacting the company about this. Just strange. You can almost make out what the symbols are, but if you were new to this, I would call the company. Or not call the company, but I would get in touch with them. I want to look at this canvas before I look at even the thread. It looks like the paper was smeared. As you can see, it went right through the canvas. So, I don't even know that I would start this because I don't know if you can see that. It's all smeared and smudged. So, yeah. They'll be hearing from me. It's like it was damp before right before they folded it, and yeah. I had another one like this that turned out like this. Either the paper, when they put it next to it, it bled into the, like the liquid or the water or whatever's in the ink, made this smeary. You can't even see it. Not gorgeous threads though. Yeah, I'm not even going to open it. So I will let them know that this whole kit, I don't know. It does have a toolkit, 5 needles, boot call, thimble, and needle threader. Yeah. Okie dokie. Yeah, it happens every once in a while, and I'm glad it's a small kit. So, yeah, we'll be letting them know. Now, that's all I got from One Day Saving. They do have free shipping on orders over $50. They have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for both of those. And they also have custom. They also have some little, beaded cross-stitch. And they have a wide selection. So, this is, God, the first time I think I've ever had any issue with a kit. So, and I'm sure that it was, not all of them are like that. I mean, I can't be for certain, but sometimes in production, things happen. So, I will let them know, and they can let their manufacturers know about that kit. Other than that, thank you, One Day Saving, for the beautiful kits this week and last week. It's a beautiful kit. It's just messed up canvas. So, and I don't know. I have had some people, if the canvas is messed up, they will wash this canvas, and then they'll get the, email the company, and they will send you to a PDF where you can get the pattern, and then they'll do it like a counted cross stitch. Me, I don't have that much energy. No. Not today. No. But you can do it that way if you want to. I'm sure they will either, since the canvas is messed up as well, not just the paper pattern, they will probably ship you a new kit. And make sure that it doesn't look like the one you already have. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.